You're currently losing hours of potential productivity every single day to the silent killer of focus, attention residue. We'll uncover the neuroscience behind deep work and show you how to rewire your brain for peak cognitive performance. Deep work is the ability to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. When you switch between tasks, your brain doesn't instantly recalibrate. It leaves residue on the previous task. This mental sludge prevents you from reaching a flow state, the peak of human productivity. To succeed, you must intentionally batch your deep work sessions away from constant digital interruptions. Counterintuitively, the most brilliant minds don't work more hours, they work with more intensity. Research shows that even 4 hours of undistracted deep work is the functional limit for high-level cognitive output. By scheduling these windows, you move from shallow multitasking to high-impact creation. But how do you prevent your brain from craving those dopamine-heavy distractions? Your brain is a muscle that grows stronger through myelination. Each time you focus, you wrap neural circuits in a fatty layer called myelin, which acts as an insulator for faster, stronger signals. This means focus is a skill, not a personality trait. Ready to master it? Deep work isn't just about productivity, it's about reclaiming your mental capacity for the projects that matter. By treating focus as a physical training regimen, you can unlock a level of output that others find impossible. If you want to transform your output, hit subscribe and comment, focus, below for my top resource on building a deep work ritual.